Good morning, fellow travelers. Jeremiah here in Bend, Oregon. Waking up for the second day at my campsite here. It's a new campsite, but same general area. And I have some of the ham, it's still cold. I don't really think it'll kill me. The provolone, the eggs, and I'm making an omelet. Check it out. It's kind of hard because the burner is so like small compared to the pan, so I gotta like rotate it here and here. Oh, it's looking nice. I should have got some veggies, but ham and cheese is fine. But yeah, not sure what today's going to bring. I should go print up a bunch of resumes and find my work outfits so that Monday I can start. Monday I'll grab applications, Tuesday I'll put them out. Who knows? Maybe I'll just enjoy today, but I've been doing a lot of just enjoying lately. Hey, loving you. I'll let you know when something good happens. Too much to eat, but check it out. Omelet. Cheesy. Gonna eat this shit. Yay. Some live music at the little motel hotel place next door. I've been here that late at night. I heard like a drum circle the other night. I think it was the new moon. I'm on my way to, my hair looks like shit then. Oh well. I'm on my way to a grocery store so I can get some food. Not sure what I'm going to cook tonight. It's always kind of fun just wandering around. It's nice to get out. I've been kind of at the campsite all day. I put my tarp up. It doesn't sound like much, but getting it set up like right is clutch because I need like a space where air can flow between my tent and the tarp. And so the heat is going to disappear on the tarp. Then I have the blackout tent, which blocks heat as well. So it's going to be sweet. Although it's going to be cold here shortly. I like this trail. I live right on this trail. This is a nice bike trail. That's about it. Maybe I'll go jump in the river quick. Who knows? Loving you. Not much today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. See ya.